Hey guys, this is Kurt Carbo. I own Acceleration North. Today we're going to go through the running treadmill and show you what we actually do with these athletes to make them faster, stronger, and run correctly. We train athletes 8 years old and up, and we want to show you today exactly how these treadmill workouts work. So let's go take a look. We got a sprinter here. We have a running treadmill with a black line on it. It shows kids where to strike their foot on the ground. We got a mirror. This is called a run, hold, run. He's running at 20% grade, 10 miles an hour. He's holding the bar. He's putting force into the bar, but puts his foot in the right position, and he lets go of the bar. And right about here, he's hitting fatigue, which means Miles is holding him on the machine. We're actually able to push him through, or push him past fatigue. Over here, our treadmills are set up to run backwards as well. This athlete is fighting an ACL, but she's strong. Running backwards promotes proper quad fire. So you can see how she's toeing off the ground. It allows her to strengthen her quads, fire her quads in safe motion, as there's no weight on her ankle, as in a leg extension machine. Okay. We complement this with vertical jump training. These are our plyo presses. We have 3 of them. We work on vertical for basketball, volleyball, football, hockey. We complement calf raises. So we teach the jump. We teach kids how to jump because they can watch their legs perform. So these are our plyo presses. Over here we got our hip machines. We work on the glutes and extension muscles. This is called hip extension. This is where all the force is produced through the ground. Notice his foot is in the proper dorsiflex position. He's firing his glute through the ground. This is hip extension or hip flexion. Sorry, this means she's working on her hip flexors. Again, we stabilize the glute on the leg that's on the ground, and then she raises the weight correctly through a full range of motion. We have sleds for power. We have glute bridge action here. This is a force run. So this is a new style we've taught where she's making the belt spin, doing all the work herself. So without proper foot strike, she's not going to generate much force. Okay. Over here, when they're done running, they're going to do a glute bridge. This again strengthens the glutes. We focus a lot on technique, on how the limbs work. You know, how is the leg, how's the glute work, how's the hamstring work, how's the quad work. So by doing these exercises with youth kids and high school kids and college kids, we're able to strengthen the muscles in the back of the leg. And this exercise is a donkey kick. Again, it triggers and activates muscles through the full range of motion. It's all about hip extension and leg extension. All right, in our last, we're gonna do a fast, steep run here. This is an overspeed run in which he's got to run up a hill. And once he hits fatigue in about 3 to 4 seconds, we hold him on there for 3 to 4 seconds and force his legs to go faster. Totally different concept than running up a hill, because at the top of the hill, they run out of steam and their legs slow down. And lastly, our Cheetah Club, we measure top end speed, 16, 17, 18, 19 miles an hour. Our fastest athlete ran 25.5 miles an hour. So that's your goal. Come check it out.